Matt here. I have a double vid tonight. It's not gonna load tonight, but it might go tomorrow. But I'm gonna keep you hanging. So this also I'll do what's inside. So I have a Hypertoss ball, and I'm gonna do what's inside a Hypertoss ball. So let's get to it. So I get my, I've got my knife. Might have. Door closed. No. Let's see if this knife can get through the ball. Okay, so I've got the Hypertoss ball, and we are cutting it open. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. This is cut through. So there are these, so I cut a hole inside. Now you can probably get through it by hand. Oh, this thing's actually quite light. So like there's this little foam pocket right inside the Hypertoss ball. So that is the armor of the ball. I'm just gonna cut through it a bit more. See, like, right? Anyway, so there are these little pebble things. See, I'm dropping them for the camera. There are these little pebble things. So let me just get a barrel, and I'll be back to you. All right, we're back, and we're gonna start to cut the things and put them in the trash. I'm just squiggling all these little pebbles. Whoa. All these little itty bitty, these little pebble things. Now I want to get inside this. So I want to still cut inside this. There's this little ball. There's this little cut me line. Alright. So I'll cut in now the final slash of the knife. I got this thing cut open. So basically it was plain balls, and this coat was actually keeping all of them in.
Matt, I got $5 more.
Cool. So I'm gonna cut it here. See you later. Like, subscribe.